Shopify Payments is powered by Stripe in most countries, so you usually don't need a separate Stripe account. However, if you want to use your own Stripe account, for example for lower fees or custom checkout, here's the quick way. Option 1. Just activate Shopify Payments, recommended and fastest. Shopify Admin, Settings, Payments. Click Complete Account Setup under Shopify Payments. It's Stripe under the hood. Enter business personal details, bank account, and ID verification. Done in 2 to 10 minutes. Instantly accept Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. Option 2. Connect your existing Stripe account, Advanced. In Stripe Dashboard, Developers, API Keys, Copy, Publishable Key, and Secret Key. Shopify Admin, Settings, Payments. Choose third-party provider. Select Stripe, Manual. Paste the 2 keys. Save. Shopify now charges through your own Stripe. You'll see transactions in both dashboards.